What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire, or you can call me Clarissa. Today we are going to get into this beautiful install using my CURLSQUEEN double-wefted clip-ins. No leave out whatsoever. I know you cannot believe it. I couldn't either at first, but I was able to achieve this hairstyle with very few pieces of clip-ins, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Now let's get right into the video. CURLSQUEEN sent over their beautiful Water Kinky Curly texture hair, and this is their upgraded 150 grams per bundle. So it's full, it's soft, and it blends so beautifully with my natural hair. These are double wefted clip-ins, which means you get more volume with fewer pieces. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I opened up the package and saw that they only sent this amount of hair, I was a little skeptical. I was about to email the company and just say, I think you're missing some hair in this package because this does not look like it's going to cover my hair, but it did. I say all that to say fewer pieces is a plus because that's less work that you have to do in order to make this hairstyle complete. It's tangle-free, it's easy to style, and with proper care, these clip-ins can last you for about a year. So of course, you know, we started on freshly washed, detangled, and stretched hair. You can blow dry your hair, twist it out. I chose to braid it down for a flatter foundation. Now, of course, this step is optional, but I choose to sew down my braids just to make sure that they are extra secure and they won't unravel. One thing you do want to do when you are installing your clip-ins, you want to map out where your clip-ins are going to go. I would suggest that the longer pieces be done in the back, and of course you don't have to start directly at the bottom of your hair. You're going to want to start in the middle. Because this is curly hair, it's very thick, so you won't see any spacing whatsoever. So don't be afraid to start right below the middle of the back of your hair. As you can see, I'm giving it a tug just to show you that the clip-ins are very secured and they won't go out of place if you snap it on right. So again, you want to start above the nape area, and this will make the process super easy and organized. You're going to take your first clip-in piece, snap on each clip, and gently secure it close to your root. These clip-ins give you fullness without having to layer too many tracks. And it's also nice to be able to get to your scalp. You're not patting your hair down. You can take them off at night if you want to, and you can just clip them back in the morning. Now, of course, the closer you get to that middle part in the front, you're going to use the smaller pieces of clip-ins. And it just makes it so much easier when you are taking them down to have the small ones. Now you grab your crochet needle and you are going to grab a thin piece of the clip-in hair, which is the kinky curly hair, and you're going to crochet it into your hair. You're going to wrap it around that track so that way you can hide that clip-in track up in the front. This is going to give you that crochet illusion. So that way you don't see the tracks, but you'll just see the hair. And this is such a genius tip, so that way you don't see the track in the front. There's no leave out. You don't have to gel down your hair where the parting is. Everything looks very natural and very seamless this way. Just gelling down our edges just a little bit. I'm using some edge styler that I have, and then you can go and shape your hair. I'm just cutting off a little bit just to frame my face, and afterwards I'm going to be taking some mousse to style my curls. I also did some finger coiling as well, just to define the curls and make the curls pop just a little bit more. With proper care, your CURLSQUEEN clip-ins can last up to a year. Be sure to gently detangle with a wide tooth comb or your fingers, and also you can shampoo and condition this hair as well. And that is it. It's a full voluminous tangle-free look in minutes. This hair was so much fun to install. I love the curls. This is going to go in my rotation. I love the fullness, the volume, and it looks so natural. Now, if you want, you can put a bonnet on at night just to keep this hair intact, or you could take the clip-ins out and reinstall them in the morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I hope you are staying prayed up as always. Be blessed. Bye.